How are you? How are you?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Sa Tagalog, kumusta mga kaibigan?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? How are
Hola.
you?
Yeah. Hola, hello.
Sí,
Hello.
hola, ¿cómo estás?
Yeah. And hello, how
Hola.
are you? Yeah. But in Espanol, hola, ¿cómo estás?
Sí.
And Filipino, in Philippines, ¿cómo estás? The same, but no S. ¿Cómo está?
Ok, hola,
En
¿cómo
español,
está?
¿cómo está?
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Kuha ako ng cash para sa aking
Including your parents. During high school, he was recruited to play ice hockey at Princeton University and decided to join the Reserve Officers Training Corps, ROTC. After graduating in 1980, he went on to become a paratrooper and serve in Special Forces. He did 1 combat tour in Iraq and 3 in Afghanistan. This past May, he returned to Princeton to commission the graduating
39.
ROTC class.
So conversion niya $24, so 36.99 Canadian. Exchange rate, okay.
And a few of the young officers whose language skills are currently in high demand. I speak Chinese.
Chinese is really, really important to us. Say guys, speak Chinese. China, extraordinarily serious.
How concerned are you? Military communications are not happening right now in China.
Yeah, I think that's bad. We had that for a period of time when we have some chance of communication or de-escalating.
Babaryahan ko lang. Hi there. How much is for the laundry?
Laundry? I'm not sure. I've never been over to the area over there.
Okay.
Do you want me to
How much do
How
I
much?
need?
you want me to give you like 5 quarters? You want $5 worth of quarters?
Maybe, yeah. Give me,
Okay.
yeah. Just $5 and all. $1 bill.
You want them in ones? I think they don't take quarters over there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not
This is
sure.
what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you 5 and then I'm gonna give you your rest and change your money.
Oh yeah. Just give me 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right off. 1 more. 5.
Okay, and then hold on.
Okay. And this is 15. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Any more washers you only
So now mag-book ako ng shower kung merong bakante.
Wagging the dog sort of thing. They were wrong. They were not reading us right. Look at
Sana meron. Tsaka ako mag
and they
laundry.
China, Russia, and the war in Ukraine are now
Committed
the
shower.
problem of his successor, Air Force General Charles Q. Brown Jr.
So the shower.
There are also areas of concern closer
Okay,
to home.
so
Last
ako yung
year,
next.
the Army
Shower number 8. First time nandito ako guys sa Mississippi. Shower number 8. 41366. 41366. Clear. So, may dala akong sabon dahil maglalaba ako ng aking mga damit. Kailangan ko ng maraming damit dahil mag-torn and born ako. After pagdating na sa Canada, babalik pa ulit ako ng Amerika. Naglo-laundry ako ng aking mga damit dahil kailangan ko ng mga damit. Kasi pagbalik ko ng Canada, kailangan ko pang bumalik ulit ng Amerika. So bali, ang gagawin ko yung ngayon ay 3 weeks ako sa highway. Kasi by the end of October, kailangan ko mag-off ng 1 week. And then ang balik ko ay sa November 3. Kailangan ko lang talaga mag-off ng 1 week. Kaya kailangan ko mag laundry ng aking mga damit. Dahil nasushort ako dahil sobrang init nung nagdodo ako sa Louisiana. Then kailangan kong labhan para sa pagbalik ko ulit ng Canada, another 2 weeks, meron akong enough na mga t-shirt na gagamitin. Habang naghihintay ako ng aking matapos yung aking dryer, mag-dinner na muna ako. Aba, inaubos na niya lahat. Yeah, inaubos na niya. Dapat 5 lang. Pero binigyan niya ako ng babae. So, ito ay combo. Isang pizza at saka dapat 5 chicken wings lang. Ginawa niyang 6. So, ito yung dinner ko ngayon. Happy Thanksgiving sa lahat dyan sa Canada. So, meron akong cheese. Ano nangyari dito sa cheese? Masakit sa bibig. Yun sa ngipin dahil matigas na yung chicken. Parang tigas na eh. Kumakapit ha. Hindi na siya fresh. Pero dahil gutom na ako. Habang yung mga tao dito nanonood ng football. Hindi ko lang, nandito pala ako ngayon sa Mississippi, sa Olive, Mississippi, dahil hindi nga natuloy yung permit ng Tennessee. Hindi ako makatawid ng Tennessee. So, dito ako mag-spend ng ilang araw. Hanggang today is Sunday. Tomorrow is sa Canada. I'm Thanksgiving Day. So, late na itong mapapanood. Cheese. Didikit mo naman maayo eh. Medyo salty.
Want to see where your team ranks? Just feel serious. Show them what the football standard is.
nanonood kayo, merong background sa gilid.
The critics agree the irrational is definitely a win. Let the passengers survive.
May balahibo ba?
People are irrational, but predictably so. That's what I'm actually the science guy.
Itong area na ito, mas marami ang itom. Napakadami nila. Maraming itom.
Okay, Barnacle, show me what you got. It's not this long day all day. This model is so mean. What's that phone trending on budget?
At Ford Decor, with our high-quality selection at everyday low prices, or upgrade this neighborhood or you. Explore Ford Decor today.
You think life is short? Football is short. Regular season's just 18 weeks. Just 1 day a week. Sometimes just 1 game a day. So cherish every over and under before it's over on FanDuel. With live betting on every NFL game. Just before you know it, a cold night in Buffalo Bills game will just be a cold night in Buffalo. Bet $5 to get
Nako.
$200 in bonus bets guaranteed. Man, that is number one sports. It was never about starting out perfect. It was just about starting. Replacing self-doubt with self-care. And learning how food can heal. It's all about having the right support from people who understand what you need. Because I'm not your average Joe, and neither are you. The new 2023 GMC Sierra AT4X is equipped to conquer the great outdoors. Or the great indoors. Welcome to the peak of premium off-roading. Or get $3,500 purchase cash on 2023 Sierra Denali 5.3-liter V8 light-duty models. Or get 6,000 purchase options will be traded and eligible vehicles.
Corey B. Drives. If you get hurt in a car truck wreck, call TNST for help right away.
Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na ang pilot at saka Flying J merong bayad yung kanilang mga parking. Nagbibigay lang sila ng few spots para sa free parking but kadalasan pay parking ang pilot. So, pag meron kang apps, pwede kang magpa-reserve na. Example, nasa biyahe ka na, tapos alam mong titigil ka doon sa area na yan, i-reserve parking mo na siya kung saan kang titigil ng pilot. Reserve parking para pagdating mo sa gas station, naka-reserve na yung parking sa'yo. So ito na yun, $17 per night. And then your truck info, company name, truck number, select color, and DOT number. And then how would you like to pay? So pwede mong gamitin yung rewards mo or another payment of method. Pwede mo siyang gamitin yung, I think pwedeng gamitin yung card ng Q-Line. And then ito yung price niya, $18.19, kasama na ang tax. With tax na yan, $1.19. And then pag na-confirm na lahat, tsaka mo i-click yung reserve parking. So pagdating mo dito sa site, meron ka lang parking area. So ito yung kaibahan ng gas station na to sa ibang gas station like Love's. Love's, walang bayad ang parking doon. Ito, Pilot at saka Flying J, may bayad yung parking nila. Dahil meron akong kasama dito na... You're from Texas, Mexico?
Dallas.
Dallas? No English?
No English.
Why?
No Honduras.
Honduras? Ah, okay. So, what's that? Habla Ahora, what's that? What's up? Habla Ahora. So mahirap talaga pag Pilipino at saka from Honduras. Honduras, eh?
Honduras.
Yeah, Honduras. Sama ko siya ngayon dito, naglaba. What's that? Habla Ahora. Habla Ahora.
Yeah.
So what's that in English? Nothing come out.
Yeah.
Nothing come out, guys. Yun ang mahirap. Kailangan natin mag-aral ng Espanyol para yung ating mga kapatid ng mga Espanyol ay maintindihan natin. But meron kasi tayong mga lingwahe natin sa Sumuanga, di ba? Mga Espanyol ba tawag doon? Maintindihan. So kailangan ko talagang siguro talagang pag-aralan tong Espanyol na salita para maintindihan ko rin sila at maintindihan nila ako. You? No, you. No, you.
Hey, good.
Communist driver? Camion?
You know.
No?
No.
Ah, okay.
You?
Yeah. What's your name?
Angel.
Huh?
Angel.
Anjo?
Angel.
Angel.
Yes.
His name is Angel. He's from Honduras.
Honduras.
He speak Espanol. I speak Bisaya.
Un saludo.
Can you say how are you in Espanol? How are you? How are you?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Sa Tagalog, kumusta mga kaibigan?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? How are
Hola.
you?
Yeah. Hola, hello.
Sí.
Hello.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Yeah. And hello, how are you?
Hola.
Yeah. But in Espanol, hola, ¿cómo estás?
Sí.
And Filipino, in Philippines, ¿cómo estás? The same, but no S. ¿Cómo está?
Okay. Hola,
En
¿cómo
español,
estás?
¿cómo está?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo está? En español, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Yeah. See? Ang ating salita, ang ating lingwahe, same lang din sa kanila. Espanyol kasi tayo na conquer tayo ng mga Spanish before in the Philippines. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? What else?
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, hi, how are
Hi,
you?
how are you?
Yeah.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Spanish.
Hola. Yeah, Spanish.
Spanish, Honduras, México, Guatemala, Salvador,
El Salvador, all Spanish?
todo.
Oh,
Hola,
okay.
¿cómo estás?
Hola,
Todo.
¿cómo estás?
Ajá. Only United States, only United States. How are you?
How are you? Okay. Yeah. So, di ba? Same lang tayo. Same lang. Para lang din sa Pilipino, di ba? We look same. Filipino?
No, Filipino.
No, I know. But our face?
You Filipino.
Yeah. But our face is all the same. Same. Black hair.
Okay.
Yeah. Your face. Yeah.
Okay.
Parehas lang, di ba? Parang Pilipino lang din sila.
You only make you feel like you could never leave. Do the same, we can't go back. This is all we need. Follow me to make believe and make your dreams come true. This night means forever, and so does me and you.
So tapos na akong maglaba. Kagandahan kasi may mga tao along the way na makikilala mo, like si Angelo, isang taga Honduras. I don't know kung isa siyang truck driver, but sabi niya hindi siya truck driver pero naglalaba dito. So ito kagandahan pag bumabiyahe tayo, marami tayong mga taong nakikilala along the way. Ibang kultura pero nagkakaintindihan kaming dalawa. So bali, dito lang pala ako nakapark. Ito yung gas station. Hindi naman ako umalis. Yan ang mga pay parking. Dito lang ako naka-parking sa no parking na mga sign na nilagay nila. Hindi nila ako mapalis ngayon dahil sabi nila daanan daw to. Sabi ko napakaluwag. So may nakalagay dyan no parking. So nung Friday o nung Saturday pa ako nandito ng gabi. So hindi na ako umalis hanggat hindi ako makakuha ng aking permit pabalik ng Canada.